The InControl pressure governor stores several data points, including items like pump hours and engine hours. It's important to make sure the date and time are correct so retrieved data is logged properly. To set the date and time, the governor must be entered into programming mode. Power is required on the governor to set these items, but the pump should not be in gear. To enter programming mode, press and hold the silence button until the RPM display shows 4 dashes and the message display shows Enter Code. Release the silence button. P101 will flash in the RPM display, and the current program revision will display in the message area. Depress the pressure button to scroll through the programming codes until you reach code P103. If you pass the desired programming code, keep cycling the pressure button to go through the list and it will start back at P101. When P103 is displayed, the current date will be displayed as day, month, year. To change the date, press the menu button. P103 will stop flashing and the message display will show the current date with the year flashing. Press the pressure or RPM button to change the year. Press the menu button to move to month. Press the pressure or RPM to adjust the month. Press the menu button to change to day. Press the pressure or RPM button to adjust the day. When the correct year, month, and date are set, press and hold the silence button to store the new date. To set the time, cycle the program parameter to P104. The message display will show set time 10:30 a.m. Press the menu button and P104 will stop flashing and the current time will be displayed with AM or PM. Press the pressure or RPM buttons to change AM or PM. Press the menu button to move to minutes. Press the pressure or RPM buttons to adjust the minutes. Press the menu button to move to hours. Press the pressure or RPM buttons to adjust the hour. When the desired time is displayed, press and hold the silence button to store the time. Spec the best.